In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Fib Speed Resistance Fan on Tradingview, quick and easy. First, make sure you're on a chart in Tradingview. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the upper left side of the chart area. This is where your main drawing toolbar lives. From that toolbar, look for the section that contains the Gann and Fibonacci tools. It's usually represented by an icon that, when you hover over it, shows a list of advanced tools like Fibonacci retracements and Gann fans. Click that icon to open the drop-down menu. Inside that drop-down, find and click on Fib Speed Resistance Fan. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to place the tool on your chart. Now move to the point on your chart where you want the fan to start. Typically, traders choose a significant swing low in an uptrend or a swing high in a downtrend. Click once to anchor the starting point, then drag to where you want the fan to extend and release. Your Fib Speed Resistance Fan will appear with several angled lines spreading across the chart. What this fan does is project potential dynamic support and resistance levels as the price moves over time. Instead of just horizontal lines, you get angled levels that can help you visualize the speed and strength of a trend, and where price might react or slow down. You're not locked into your first placement. You can click and drag the fan to move or adjust it anywhere on your chart until it lines up with the price action the way you prefer. This flexibility lets you quickly test different anchor points. You can also customize how the fan looks. With the tool selected, you'll see a small toolbar appear. Here you can open templates to save or apply your favorite settings, change the color so it stands out against your background, and adjust the line width to make the levels thinner or bolder. If you want more detailed control, click on Settings. This opens a full menu where you can fine-tune levels, visibility, and style. When you're happy with the positioning, you can click Lock so you don't accidentally move it while working on your chart. If you no longer need it, click Remove to delete it. And if you see 3 dots or a More option, click that for additional actions related to the tool. Overall, the Fib Speed Resistance Fan on TradingView is a powerful way to visualize trend speed and potential reaction zones, helping you add structure and clarity to your technical analysis.